Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is another Sunday Funday video. As we get ready to fall into fall, I was able to visit Kohl's department store, and the reason I had to visit is because a beautiful friend of mine sent me a Kohl's gift card. Now it's been a couple of years since I've been into Kohl's department store, but when I tell you that their home decor section was amazing, it was so amazing, guys. And to make it more appealing, they had a lot of home decor on clearance. So I found a few items, but I'm not going to share it in this video. I will share it in a later video. But I want you guys to just sit back as I share with you some of the things that Kohl's department have for all of us home decor lovers. So guys, get your coffee or tea or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. Sit back, relax, and just enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I appreciate all your love and support. Continue watching. So as you see, this little vase here has a little chip on the top, but hey, don't let that stop you if you want to buy it. Put some flowers in it and it will be covered. This little tray here, feel like I want to take it home with me, but you have to wait to see. And guys, here, their selection of the woodwick candles, massive. Lots and lots of woodwick candles. I didn't need any, so I pushed myself on and walked away.
늦지 않았어요. 하지만 그런 표정은 바뀌었으면 해요. 언제까지나 함께 웃을 수 없겠지만 마음이 흘렁이는 대로 그렇게 가다가 쉬고 싶어지면 멈춰라 하늘을 보라. 아주 우아한 구름이 지켜줄 거야. 넉넉해질 때까지 조금은 아쉽게. 고개를 떨고 없나요? 아직 오늘인데 눈물은 감추지 말아요. 금방 마를 테니. 하지만 그런 표정은 바뀌었으면 해요. 언제까지나 함께 웃을 수 없겠지만 마음이 흘렁이는 대로 그렇게 가다가 쉬고 싶어지면 멈춰라 하늘을 보라. 아주 우아한 구름이 지켜줄 거야. 넉넉해질 때까지 조금은 아쉽게. 그댄 그대일 수밖에 없는 그런 아름다움이 있어요. 늦지 않았어요. 하지만 그런 표정은 바뀌었으면 해요. 언제까지나 함께 웃을 수 없게.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching another Sunday Funday as we are preparing to fall into fall. But hey, while you're here, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Be blessed, and again, I thank you so much for stopping by. As you can see, hubby is escorting me out the store.